Welcome to Tia Art and Craft. Today we'll make red rose using cotton pads. Take some cotton pads and water, add some glue, let's take red acrylic color for this. Mix it well. Take a small cup, then dip the cotton balls or cotton pad in that water. Arrange like I do. This can be used as a last minute gift or any home decor. Let it dry for 5 minutes. Now it's ready. Look how beautiful it is. It looks like a realistic flower. Just try. Let it dry for 10 or 15 minutes. Then it will set. Let's see in another video. Bye bye.